Please start. Good morning, Anuj. Anuj, please give a small introduction, brief introduction.
So, my name is Anuj. Anuj means an attractive personality who is an athlete having good communication skill, networking skills, and a socialized person. If you talk about, I am an extrovert person, and I love teaching and all. That's why I am applying for a teacher job.
As you said, you are extrovert person.
Yes.
How can you say that you are extrovert?
I can say that I am extrovert because I am able to express my feeling. I am able to communicate with others very easily. I am able to express their feeling, my feeling both. It's my interest, or you can say.
And how this being extrovert will help you as a teacher?
So, if you talk about how the extrovert personality helps as a teacher, if you talk about as a teacher, there is many type of students are there. Many of them are shy, many of them are joyful, many of them are introverted. They are many. If a person or a teacher who is a main leader, if he is an extrovert personality, he can help them, everyone, by just communicating them and by just simply ask them what is the problem and all. So if the teacher is somewhere extrovert, he is able to manage with them and able to teach them properly.
Great job. So quality of being extrovert will surely help.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay. If I hire you as a teacher in the school, what would be the subjects you would love to teach?
If you talk about the subject, I would like to teach maybe about physical education and psychology. My main subject.
Physical.
Physical education and psychology.
What do you know about physical education?
So, physical education. So, before I define itself, first of all, I would like to share an incident what happened in my past. So, when I come to physical education, when I was in teenager age, my teacher just simply make a line of my class and they give us some football and they said simply play. So somewhere I was lacking because my neighbor, there is many one who is rich by money. They got in a high school and they have better education, so they play with national and all. Same, I am having the eligibility to compete with them, but I don't have much competition with them because my teacher was somewhere not something like that. If I talk about physical education, giving them proper about their knowledge, skill, and on how their game should be played and all, this all come under physical education. If I be a physical trainer, what should I do? Firstly, I maintain the discipline, decorum, and then I will tell them what is the need of the being a physical fit. Because once you are physical fit, then you are able to do anything. Then I will tell them before playing any game, I will tell them for the rules and all. Then I will let them do physical activities by practical and all. This all.
Exactly. Having knowledge of physical is very important. You also talked about discipline in games.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of discipline in games?
First of all, sir, discipline is one of the most important factors. If we talk about the discipline, if the discipline was not there, then no one will follow rules, regulation and all, and the decorum of the class can't able to maintain. Discipline is one of the necessary things for any field or to achieving any goal. So discipline is must required.
So Anuj, as I can see, you are very young
Yes, sir.
and you will be getting so many different age groups.
Yes.
How will you handle as a teacher?
First of all, sir, if you talk about my age, I am very young. So it is not a demerit, it's my merit. If a new person is here, everyone wants to connect with them. And I am new, so I also want to earn experience from them. I can't wait for my whole life to earn experience from them. I simply can't able to learn experience from them instead of failing again and then gain experience. So it's profitable to me and them for others also because they are able to connect with me. Somewhere they also get a chance to meet with a new personality with a new energy and all. So it will help me as well the other teachers or different age group also.
Great. If I talk about your strengths and the weaknesses, tell me of 2 strengths and 1 weakness.
If we talk about my strength, first of all, I am having good communication skills. It is one of my big strengths. From that having good communication skill, I am able to connect with every student of different personality and with the teachers also. So somewhere I am able to maintain somewhere a good decorum and many things and all. I am able to understand them. First is communication skill. Other, if we talk about, I am very active. As I told in my introduction, I am an athlete. So from starting, I have taken participation in many sports and all. So I am very active. It will help me to do work in a creative way also. If we talk about, I have studied from FE, in which I have studied about 6 heads, in which I am very particular about green head, in which the green head tell about how you are creative and all. So from day starting, I am very creative, which will help me to in my school by performing creative things and all with the students and with the teacher, and they will definitely feel easy with me, working with me and all. It will help me definitely. If we talk about my weakness, particularly I can't say about my weakness because it's nothing, sir. I'm having a strong strength which is I'm able to manage and I'm able to evolve myself over the problems. When the problems come, I evolve myself according to the problem as per. So it's my biggest strength over. So this is my biggest strength, able to overcome my all weaknesses which I can't able to see that. Thank you.
Great. So Anuj, we have so many schools in this area. Why did you select this school only?
Particularly, sir, if I talk about this school, there are many schools right now, but they are having very high fees, sir. So many of them, many of the parents prefer them also. But this fee, if we talk about this particular school, this school having medium fees. So the student must be high fi, but if we talk about their mind and the student, they must be medium. So I will my strength and my activities and all, my creative thinking and all, my communication skill, my networking skill and all, my social skill, being a extrovert person, my everything will help to deliver to the school. It will help for the student, especially my main motive is to deliver or to give something to the students to their school, because many parents think that because due to lack of money they can't able to admission their student to the high fi school or with the high money. But if you are a good teacher and you are able to give your everything to the lower middle class school, so it will help the student also and they feel very good to come to school again and again. That's all.
Exactly. And this is the motive of our school only.
Yes, sir.
Not a single child should be uneducated because of fees only. Thank you so much. Just at last, tell me the 2 best qualities of a teacher.
First of all, if I talk about the best quality of a teacher, first is that don't follow the technique. I also want to give an example. When I was in my teenager age, my teacher used to teach me as simple as the what the syllabus is, as per the needs or the requirement of the teacher. Simple. He came and he directly. But there is another teacher. He simply she came and she tried to teach with practically. Like another lesson is chapter is going to start. She first gave introduction of the chapter, what the chapter is all about, and all this and that. And if we talk about the first teacher, directly came and started the chapter. So these are the 2 mismatch with the teachers, which I realized and analyzed over my past experience. So first thing, teacher must be not follow the simple diagram like simply. He must be creative before teaching anything. Because once the teacher is creative, student also tries creativity to give them best to the teacher. So first is having a good creative skills. And if we talk about second, which is communication skill, because as I have already told you, there is many type of personality. Any student can be shy, any student can be playful, joyful, and anyone can be extrovert. And there are many type of personality with the student and with the teacher also. Once a teacher is extrovert and having good communication skill, he must be able to manage himself with the student and with the teacher and with the management department. That is why he is able to manage with all of them. This is all about.
Great response. Very impressive. Anuj, this one question in my mind. We are planning to remove PTIs. What is parents teacher meeting from our school curriculum? What do you think? Should we remove it or give your suggestion?
Okay. If we talk about, it's a great idea because when I think about being a teacher, I also want to give an example. When I was, okay, sir, don't mind, because everything I am new age, everything I have learned from myself only. So again and again, I am giving example from my.
It's completely fine.
So when I was in my student age, whenever the chance of PTI come, I get afraid too much. I thought what will happen and all. Either I get good marks and all. My parents' expectations should be always at a high. He thought more I can do more better and all. But if what will happen? If we directly simply remove PTI, it will not be a solution. We can find alternative of PTI. Like we can give some points that where your student need more requirement, more focus to the play, so that your student can become more better. We can call them parents to the school and because this is necessary because parents are able to connect with the teachers and all. We can't able to remove them simply. We can just make new pattern. Instead of giving the report card and all, we can simply tell them that here these are the main points where a student are lacking and this is a strength. So you can appreciate it and you can work over the weakness of the student.
Great. This is what I was listening. Okay. Thank you so much, Anuj. The interview ends. We'll be telling you the results soon. Thank you.